We're going to talk today about using a microfiber cloth versus a cotton cloth. I like to use a 100% linen cotton cloth. This means that the cloth is going to be lint free. This is going to be very important, especially if you're going to be cleaning stuff like glass and mirrors. You don't want to have to go back and rework all of the area that you've just cleaned because your cloth has left behind lint, right? You don't want to do the work twice. Now notice I didn't say rag. I didn't say grab your old cotton t-shirt or other cotton things. I didn't say grab a newspaper. And the reason is because those things are going to give you more work. In the end, what we care about is saving time, right? We want to get the job done in as little time as possible with the best results possible. So this is why we use a high quality cotton cloth. I like to use the cotton cloth at Speed Cleaning. This is 100% cotton, linen cotton. This is extremely high quality, nice, durable cotton. We can see the texture here. They're extremely absorbent. It has a really large surface area. I'm going to fold it up here for us real quick. These cotton cleaning cloths are almost endlessly reusable. We like these for general use cleaning, and when they get dirty enough that we are ready to retire them, we can start to use them for heavier duty cleaning, like the oven. And I personally, when I get to a point where I'm ready to move on from the particular cotton cleaning cloth, I use it to clean my dog's paws. So it rains a lot here where I live, and when she comes in, she's often muddy. So here we can see, here's a cleaning cloth that I've had a really long time, and this is full of stains. It's even got some holes in it. But I've had this cloth, I'm going to say probably 10 years or more, probably more than that. But I've been using this cloth for a long time and I don't throw it away. I use it for the next thing, the next best thing, which is cleaning the mud off my dog's paws. So even after our high quality cotton cloth is not really suitable to be used cleaning a home anymore, I can clean the mud and dirt with this. Speaking of being reusable, this means that the cotton cloth is actually extremely economical. So we reuse these cloths for years, and this is going to save you money on buying paper towels. It's going to save you money on having to use anything that is disposable or throwaway or just wears down more quickly. With a cotton cloth, you can wash them in extremely hot water and it does not damage it. So one thing you can do to sanitize or clean your cotton cloth is wash with hot water. Since they're white, you can also put in a little liquid bleach and you're able to sanitize the cloth. Now our other option is a microfiber cloth.